Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Question number first. What is the main function of the pepsin enzyme? Option A, digest carbohydrate. Option B, digest protein. Option C, digest fat. Option D, absorb vitamins. Correct answer is option B, digest protein. The main function of pepsin enzyme is to break down protein in food during digestion. Next question. Diabetes is caused by a deficiency of which hormone? Option A, glucagon. Option B, adrenaline. Option C, insulin. Option D, thyroxine. Correct answer is option C, insulin. Diabetes is caused by deficiency of insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar level. Diabetes is a chronic disease that occurs when the body does not produce enough insulin. Next question. In which organ is bile produced? Option A, pancreas. Option B, liver. Option C, stomach. Option D, small intestine. Correct answer is option B, liver. Bile produced in the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile is made up of the water, bile salt, cholesterol fat and bile pigment. The main bile pigment is bilirubin. Next question. What is the primary function of bile? Option A, break down carbohydrate. Option B, digest protein. Option C, digest fat. Option D, regulate blood pressure. Main function of the bile is digest fat. Option C is correct. The primary function of bile is to help with the digestion and elimination waste from the body. Digestion and waste elimination. Next question. What is the function of cerebellum? Option A, control thinking. Option B, control movement and balance. Option C, produce hormones. Option D, control digestion. Main function of cerebellum. Correct answer is option B, control movement and balance. Next question. What is synapse? Option A, joint between two muscles. Option B, connection point between two nerve cells. Option C, blood flow pathway. Option D, process of releasing hormone. What is synapse? Correct answer is option B, connection between two nerve cells. A synapse is the junction between two neurons that allows a signal to pass between them. Neurons are cells that transmit information between your brain and other parts of the central nervous system. Synapses are found where neurons connect with other neurons. Next question. Deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease? Option A, scurvy. Option B, anemia. Option C, rickets. Option D, glaucoma. Correct answer is option C, rickets. Next question. What is cartilage? Option A layer of skin. Option B, a flexible tissue that connects bones. Option C, a type of blood cell. Option D, covering layer for nerves. What is cartilage? Correct answer is option B, a flexible tissue that connects bones. Cartilage is a strong, flexible connective tissue that protect joints and bones. Next question. What are neurotransmitters? Option A, chemical molecules that carries nerve signal. Option B, muscle tissue. Option C, a type of hormone. Option D, substance that connect bones. What is neurotransmitter? Correct answer is option A, chemical molecules that carry nerve signal. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that carry signal between neurons, muscles, and glands throughout the body. Functions of neurotransmitter is carry chemical signal between neurons and target cell, and role is enable the brain to perform function and control body function and shape. Next question. Oxytocin hormone is associated with option A, blood pressure control. Option C, labor and breastfeeding. Option C, respiration control. Option D, digestion. Oxytocin hormone is associated with. Correct answer is option B, labor and breastfeeding. Next question. Testosterone is primarily produced in which organ? Option A, liver. Option B, spleen. Option C, testis. Option D, kidney. Correct answer is option C. Next question. What is the main function of the lungs? Option A, transport nutrients. Option B, produce hormones. Option C, exchange gases. Option D, fight infection. What is the main function of the lungs? Correct answer is option C, exchange gases. Next question. The term renal is related to which organ? Option A, liver. Option B, kidney. Option C, heart. Option D, lungs. Correct answer is option B, kidney. Collagen fiber are associated with. Option A, muscles. Option B, skin. Option C, blood. Option D, nerve cells. Correct answer is option B, skin. Which instrument is used to measure pulse? Which instrument is used to measure pulse? इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट में बताएं. What is the main function of bronchial tubes? What is the main function of bronchial tubes? Option A, carry air to lungs. Option B, produce hormone. Option C, control blood sugar. Option D, transport nutrients. Correct answer is option A, carry air to the lungs. The main function of bronchial tubes, also known as the bronchi or airways, is to allow air to pass in and out of the lungs for breathing. Next question. What is the main component of red blood cell? Option A, hemoglobin. Option B, glucose. Option C, calcium. Option D, lipids. Correct answer is option A, hemoglobin. The main component of red blood cell is hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Next question. What is mitochondria known as? Option A, brain of the cell. Option B, powerhouse of the cell. Option C, structure of the cell. Option D, center of the cell. Correct answer is option B. Mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Next question. What is the main function of hemoglobin? Option A, transport nutrients. Option B, transport oxygen. Option C, digest carbohydrate. Option D, aid in respiration. Correct answer is option B, transport oxygen. Where does the digestion of protein primarily occur? Option A, mouth. Option B, stomach. Option C, large intestine. Option D, small intestine. Correct answer is option B, stomach. And the majority of protein digestion occur in small intestine. Next question. What is the primary function of lymphatic system? Option A, provide energy. Option B, fight infection. Option C, aid in digestion. Option D, control blood flow. What is the primary function of lymphatic system? Correct answer is option B, fight infection. Next question. What is the primary function of thymus gland? Option A, produce insulin. Option B, develop T cells. Option C, control digestion. Option D, produce hormone. Correct answer is option B, develop T cell. Next question. What is the main function of fibrous tissue? Option A, connect muscles. Option B, provide flexibility. Option C, provide structure and support. Option D, produce hormone. What is the main function of fiber tissue? Correct answer is option C. Provide structure and support. Next question. Where is glucose primarily converted into energy? Option A, cell membrane. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, plasma. Option D, nucleus. Correct answer is option B, mitochondria. Which hormone regulates sleep? Option A, adrenaline. Option B, insulin. Option C, melatonin. Option D, thyroxine. Correct answer is option C. Next question. What does diastolic pressure indicate? Option A, pressure during heart contraction. Option B, pressure during heart relaxation. Option C, blood sugar level. Option D, oxygen level. Correct answer is option B, pressure during heart relaxation. And systolic is pressure during heart contraction. Next question. What is primary function of the enzyme amylase? Option A, break down proteins. Option B, break down fats. Option C, break down carbohydrate. Option D, absorb vitamin. Correct answer is option C, break down carbohydrates. Next question. Which part of the brain is the cortex? Option A, outer layer. Option B, inner layer. Option C, middle layer. Option D, lower part. Which part of brain is cortex? Correct answer is option A, outer layer. Which part is at the top of the respiratory tract? Option A, lungs. Option B, larynx. Option C, nose. Option D, trachea. Correct answer is option C, nose. What is primary function of potassium ions? Option A, energy production. Option B, transmit nerve signal. Option C, boost immunity. Option D, transport oxygen. Correct answer is option B, transmit nerve signal. Next question. In which organ is insulin produced? Option A, liver. Option B, pancreas. Option C, kidney. Option D, gallbladder. Correct answer is option B, pancreas. What is the main function of tendons? Option A, connect bones. Option B, attach muscles to bones. Option C, connect muscles. Option D, from skin. What is the function of tendons? Correct answer is option B, attach muscles to bone. Where is the cornea found? Option A, ear. Option B, eye. Option C, nose. Option D, mouth. Correct answer is option B, eyes. Next question. What is the primary function of the cerebellum? Option A, control, balance and coordination. Option B, control digestion. Option C, control blood flow. Option D, secrete hormone. What is the primary function of the cerebellum? Correct answer is option A, control, balance and coordination. Next question. What is the outermost layer of the skin called? Option A, dermis. Option B, epidermis. Option C, subcutis. Option D, melanin. Correct answer is option B, epidermis. Next question. What is the main component of plasma? Option A, cells. Option B, water. Option C, protein. Option D, carbohydrate. Correct answer is option B, water. Next question. What is the primary function of platelets in blood? Option A, boost immunity. Option B, transport oxygen. Option C, clotting of blood. Option D, build tissue. What is the primary function of platelet in the blood? Correct answer is option C, clotting of blood. Next question. Where is the bicuspid valve located? Option A, in the lungs. Option B, in the liver. Option C, in the heart. Option D, in the stomach. Correct answer is option C, in the heart. Next question. What is the primary function of hormone adrenaline? Option A, control blood sugar. Option B, response to stress. Option C, A, digestion. Option D, clotting of blood. Correct answer is option B, response to stress. Where is gastrin produced? Option A, small intestine. Option B, liver. Option C, stomach. Option D, mouth. Where is gastrin produced? Correct answer is option C, stomach. Next question. What is the main function of the spinal cord? Option A, control digestion. Option B, transmission of nerve signal. Option C, circulation of blood. Option D, secretion of hormones. What is the main function of spinal cord? Correct answer is option B, transmission of nerve signal. Next question. Which is the main site of digestion? Option A, liver. Option B, stomach. Option C, small intestine. Option D, large intestine. Main site of digestion is small intestine. Option C is correct. Next question. Where are red blood cells produced? Option A, liver. Option B, bone marrow. Option C, spleen. Option D, pancreas. Correct answer is option B, bone marrow. What is the primary function of calcium? Option A, support immune system. Option B, strength bones. Option C, produce energy. Option D, produce hormone. Correct answer is option B. Next question. What is the function of the neuron? Option A, store energy. Option B, transmit nerve signal. Option C, digest food. Option D, clot blood. What is the function of the neuron? Neuron function is transmit nerve signal. Option B is correct. Next question. The digestive enzyme pepsin help in the digestion of option A, fats. Option B, carbohydrate. Option C, protein. Option D, vitamins. Correct answer is option C, proteins. Diabetes is associated with which organ? Option A, liver. Option B, pancreas. Option C, spleen. Option D, heart. Correct answer is option B, pancreas. What is the primary component of bones? Option A, carbohydrate. Option B, calcium. Option C, lipid. Option D, glucose. Correct answer is option B, calcium. Hemophilia is associated with option A, inability to clot blood. Option B, diabetes. Option C, weak bones. Option D, nervous system weakness. Hemophilia is associated with inability to clot blood. Option A is correct. Next question. What does the digestion of glucose take place? Option A, mouth. Option B, stomach. Option C, small intestine. Option D, large intestine. Correct answer is option C, small intestine. What is the main function of arteries? Option A, transport deoxygenated blood. Option B, transport oxygenated blood. Option C, absorb nutrients. Option D, produce hormone. What is the main function of arteries? Correct answer is option B, transport oxygenated blood. What is the primary function of spleen? Option A, aid in digestion. Option B, filter blood. Option C, secrete hormones. Option D, send nerve signal. Correct answer is option B, filter blood. Next question. What is the air sac in the lungs called? Option A, bronchi. Option B, alveoli. Option C, trachea. Option D, dermis. Correct answer is option B. Next question. What is the primary function of the kidney? Option A, control blood sugar. Option B, remove toxins. Option C, straightness bones. Option D, send nerve signal. Correct answer is option B, remove toxins. Next question. Which enzyme is found in saliva? Option A, pepsin. Option B, lipase. Option C, amylase. Option D, trypsin. Which enzyme is found in saliva? Correct answer is option C, amylase. Next question. What is the primary function of the hypothalamus? Option A, control blood circulation. Option B, control body temperature. Option C, control digestion. Option D, transmit nerve signal. What is the primary function of hypothalamus? Correct answer is option B, control body temperature. Next question. What is the primary function of red blood cell? Option A, transport oxygen. Option B, dispose toxins. Option C, clot blood. Option D, produce hormone. Correct answer is option A, transport oxygen. Next question. What is synapse? Option A, contact point between two nerve cells. Option B, joint between bones. Option C, part of the digestion system. Option D, part of the skin. What is synapse? Correct answer is option A, contact between two nerve cells. Next question. What is alkaline phosphate useful for? Option A, assessing bones and liver function. Option B, blood clotting. Option C, nerve function. Option D, muscle strength. Correct answer is option A, assessing bones and liver function. Next question. Bile is secreted by which organ? Option A, pancreas. Option B, liver. Option C, spleen. Option D, kidney. Correct answer is option B, liver. What is the primary function of the lungs? Option A, control blood circulation. Option B, exchange oxygen. Option C, purify blood. Option D, aid in digestion. Correct answer is option B, exchange oxygen. Next question. Where is prothrombin produced? Option A, liver. Option B, kidney. Option C, pancreas. Option D, stomach. Correct answer is option A, liver. Next question. What is function? What is acetylcholine? What is acetylcholine? Option A, hormone. Option B, enzyme. Option C, neurotransmitter. Option D, protein. Correct answer is option C, neurotransmitter. Next question. Which is the largest part of the brain? Cerebellum, medulla and pons. Largest part of brain is cerebellum. Which organ is responsible for the excretion of carbon dioxide? Correct answer is option B, lungs. What is the main function of release? Option A, digest fat. Option B, absorb nutrients. Option C, connect muscles. Option D, circulate blood. Correct answer is option B, absorb nutrients. Next question. What is the epidermis in skin? What is epidermis in skin? Option A, outermost layer of the skin. Option B, middle layer. Option C, inner layer. Option D, bundle of nerves. Correct answer is option A, outermost layer of skin. Next question. What is triglycerides? Option A, protein. Option B, carbohydrate. Option C, fat. Option D, minerals. Correct answer is option C, fat. What is primary function of white blood cell? Option A, clot blood. Option B, transport oxygen. Option C, fight infection. Option D, produce energy. Correct answer is option C, fight infection. Amylose and amylopectin are type of what? Option A, fat. Option B, protein. Option C, carbohydrate. Option D, minerals. Correct answer is option C, carbohydrate. Like, share and subscribe.